won't need all the 5 minutes. I just wanted to improve my life when I was developing with Cartesi. I wanted to do some testing, and I don't want to reproduce all the steps by hand all the time. And I know a few of the tools were already out there. So nice drawing. That's actually Midjourney, guys. And I did some hackery things at a time, but then Marcus suggested I actually should do a project out of it. It's still very simple, but basically the idea goes like this. I'm developing using Nonodo to speed up my integration testing, and it's a bit annoying because what if I need to add extra Solidity contracts in my environment? What if I need have extra tokens and whatnot? What do you do? Just create a hard hat project? That's what I did, and it's not ideal, you know. Sometimes there's no way you're gonna have to do that. But what if you can have some of this stuff already baked in? Just like what we have with Cartesi CLI, and now with Nonodo as well, we already have some tokens. But if you're still doing that, then you start Nonodo, you hard hat deploy your stuff, then you start your app backend, and then you start integration test or some custom script that you needed. And not so nice. And if you wanted to just have it there, then like you're starting to manage the Nonodo process, or you need to start your Nonodo first before you start the test, not good either. So what I did is I forked Nonodo, and I added Tikua as well, which is a nice client library for Cartesi. That's part of the dApps experience. And they gave me a chance to experiment with both and make it really easy to script the whole testing directly from the code. So if you want to test this out, you can just check out Gvarro's NoExtra, and it should be straightforward to get started with it. I exported a lot of goodies on Tikua and Nonodo as well. And that's it for the project. Thank you, guys.